Ever seen a dog on a diet? Well, brace yourselves. I'm fancy now. Hi besties, it's your favorite fluffy foodie. Today I'm eating like a wellness influencer. We've got dragon fruit, kiwi, tomatoes, purple cabbage, fancy leaf alert, boiled egg with that dreamy yolk, yogurt to keep my gut fabulous, and steamed chicken, protein, baby. This meal screams posh, and I feel like I should start a lifestyle vlog next. But don't worry, I'm still the same goofy pup under this bow. If this plate made you smile, like, drop a comment, and share the love.